Retirement. It's the time when you can finally relax, pursue your passions, and enjoy the fruits of your labor. But achieving that dream requires careful planning. It's about taking control of your finances now so you can live life on your terms later. Don't wait for the right time to start planning. The sooner you begin, the better. Retirement planning might seem daunting, but it doesn't have to be. It's about making informed decisions today to secure a comfortable and fulfilling tomorrow. Think of it as an investment in your future happiness. Every dollar you save and every smart financial decision you make brings you one step closer to your retirement goals. Start by envisioning your ideal retirement. What do you want to do? Where do you want to live? Once you have a clear picture, you can start creating a plan to make it happen. Remember, retirement planning is not one size fits all. Your plan should be as unique as you are, reflecting your individual goals, aspirations, and dreams. Let's talk about building your retirement nest egg. Two powerful tools are 401(k)s and IRAs. These retirement savings plans offer tax advantages and can help you accumulate wealth over time. Understanding how they work is crucial for maximizing your retirement savings. A 401(k) is an employer-sponsored retirement plan. You contribute a portion of your paycheck, and often your employer matches a percentage. This free money from your employer is a fantastic way to boost your savings. The money grows tax-deferred, meaning you don't pay taxes on it until retirement. An IRA, or individual retirement account, is another great option. You set it up yourself and contribute directly. There are two main types, traditional and Roth. Traditional IRAs offer tax deductions up front, while Roth IRAs provide tax-free withdrawals in retirement. Choosing the right one depends on your individual circumstances. Contributing regularly to these accounts, even small amounts, can make a big difference over time. Take advantage of employer matching programs, if available. Remember, the power of compound interest can work wonders for your retirement savings. While 401(k)s and IRAs are excellent starting points, there are other retirement savings options to consider. Diversifying your savings strategy can provide added security and flexibility in retirement. Let's explore some alternatives to ensure you're making the most of your hard-earned money. Annuities, for example, can provide a guaranteed stream of income in retirement. These contracts with insurance companies offer regular payments, protecting you from outliving your savings. Real estate can be another valuable asset, generating rental income or appreciating in value over time. Consider investing in stocks, bonds, or mutual funds outside of your retirement accounts. These investments can offer potential for growth, but remember that they come with risks. It's crucial to consult with a financial advisor to determine the right investment mix for your risk tolerance and retirement goals. Self-employed individuals and small business owners have additional options, such as SEP IRAs and Solo 401(k)s. These plans offer similar tax advantages and flexibility for those who don't have access to employer-sponsored plans. Researching and understanding these options can empower you to make informed decisions for your financial future. As you approach retirement, it's essential to understand how you'll access the money you've diligently saved. Retirement plan distributions are subject to specific rules and tax implications. Knowing how to withdraw your funds strategically can help you minimize taxes and maximize your retirement income. With traditional 401(k)s and IRAs, you'll generally pay ordinary income taxes on the money you withdraw in retirement. This is because contributions were made with pre-tax dollars and the earnings grew tax-deferred. Understanding your tax bracket in retirement is crucial for planning your withdrawals effectively. Roth IRAs, on the other hand, offer tax-free withdrawals in retirement. This is because contributions were made with after-tax dollars, and the earnings also grow tax-free. Roth IRAs can be particularly advantageous for those who anticipate being in a higher tax bracket in retirement. It's important to note that early withdrawals from retirement accounts before age 59.5 are generally subject to a 10% penalty in addition to regular income taxes. However, there are exceptions for certain circumstances, such as disability or medical expenses. Familiarize yourself with the rules and potential penalties to avoid costly surprises. Section 5. Outsmarting inflation. Keeping your retirement savings strong. Inflation, the gradual increase in prices over time, can erode the purchasing power of your savings. It's crucial to consider inflation when planning for retirement to ensure your money lasts as long as you need it. By implementing strategies to outsmart inflation, you can protect your hard-earned nest egg. Investing a portion of your retirement savings in assets that have historically outpaced inflation, such as stocks or real estate, can help preserve your purchasing power. While these investments come with risks, they also offer potential for growth that can offset the effects of inflation. Consider adjusting your retirement savings goals periodically to account for inflation. As prices rise, you'll need to save more to maintain the same standard of living in retirement. Using an inflation calculator can help you estimate future costs and adjust your savings plan accordingly. Delaying Social Security benefits can also provide a hedge against inflation. Social Security payments are adjusted annually for inflation, so waiting to claim benefits can result in larger payments later on. This strategy can be particularly beneficial for those who are still working or have other sources of income in early retirement. Section 6. The Healthcare Puzzle. Planning for medical expenses in retirement. Healthcare costs can be a significant expense in retirement. Planning for medical expenses is crucial to ensure your financial security and peace of mind. By understanding the various options available, you can make informed decisions about your healthcare coverage and potential costs. Medicare, the federal health insurance program for people aged 65 and older, provides a safety net for healthcare expenses. However, it's important to note that Medicare doesn't cover all medical costs. Consider supplementing Medicare with a Medigap policy or Medicare Advantage plan to fill coverage gaps. Health savings accounts, or HSAs, offer a tax-advantaged way to save for medical expenses, especially if you have a high-deductible health plan. Contributions to an HSA are tax-deductible, earnings grow tax-free, and withdrawals for qualified medical expenses are also tax-free. Long-term care insurance is another consideration, particularly as you age. This type of insurance can cover the costs of nursing home care, assisted living, or in-home care, which can be substantial. While long-term care insurance can be expensive, it can provide valuable protection against potentially devastating financial burdens. Section 7. Where will you live? Housing considerations for your golden years. Your living arrangements can significantly impact your retirement expenses and overall quality of life. It's important to carefully consider your housing needs and preferences when planning for retirement. Whether you plan to downsize, move to a retirement community, or stay in your current home, there are several factors to weigh. Downsizing to a smaller home can free up equity, reduce maintenance costs, and simplify your lifestyle. It can also provide an opportunity to move to a more desirable location, closer to family or amenities. Consider the emotional and financial implications of leaving a long-time home. Retirement communities offer a maintenance-free lifestyle with social opportunities and amenities. However, these communities often come with monthly fees and association rules. You should research different communities and weigh the costs and benefits to determine if it aligns with your retirement vision. Staying in your current home allows you to maintain familiarity and independence. However, consider the potential costs of home modifications, property taxes, and upkeep as you age. Assess your ability to manage household tasks and make necessary adjustments to ensure your safety and comfort. Section 8. Living your dream. Estimating your retirement expenses. To plan effectively for retirement, you need a clear understanding of your anticipated expenses. Create a realistic retirement budget that includes essential costs such as housing, healthcare, food, transportation, and entertainment. Factor in your desired lifestyle and any travel or hobbies you plan to pursue. Consider how your expenses might change in retirement. While some costs, like commuting or work-related expenses, may decrease, others, such as healthcare or travel, might increase. Estimate your retirement income from various sources, including Social Security, pensions, and retirement savings. Use online retirement calculators or consult with a financial advisor to assess your retirement readiness. These tools can help you determine if you're on track to meet your goals, or if you need to adjust your savings plan or retirement timeline. Remember that your retirement budget is a living document that you can adjust as needed. Don't forget to factor in unexpected expenses, such as home repairs, car maintenance, or medical emergencies. Having an emergency fund specifically for retirement can provide peace of mind and financial security. Section 9. Time is money. Start planning for retirement early. The earlier you start planning and saving for retirement, the better. Time is your greatest asset when it comes to retirement planning. The power of compound interest allows your money to grow exponentially over time. Even small contributions made early on can have a significant impact on your long-term savings. Don't be discouraged if you haven't started saving yet. It's never too late to begin. Take advantage of catch-up contributions allowed for those aged 50 and older. These contributions allow you to contribute more to your retirement accounts, helping you make up for lost time. Remember, retirement planning is a marathon, not a sprint. Consistency is key. Make saving for retirement a priority and automate your contributions to your retirement accounts. Treat your retirement savings like any other essential expense, and you'll be amazed at how quickly your nest egg will grow. Section 10. Your best retirement expert advice for every age. No matter your age, it's always a good time to review and refine your retirement plan. Here's some expert advice tailored to different life stages. In your 30s, start saving early and take advantage of compound interest. Contribute to your employer-sponsored retirement plan, especially if there's an employer match. Consider opening an IRA to supplement your savings. In your 40s, review and adjust your retirement goals as needed. Increase your savings rate if possible. Evaluate your investment strategy and consider diversifying your portfolio. In your 50s, take advantage of catch-up contributions to boost your savings. Create a plan to pay off any high-interest debt before retirement. Review your estate planning documents and ensure they're up to date. In your 60s, decide when to claim Social Security benefits. Consider working part-time in retirement if desired. Review your withdrawal strategy for your retirement accounts. Enjoy the fruits of your labor. Remember, retirement planning is not a one-time event, but an ongoing process. By taking control of your finances and making informed decisions, you can unlock your future and achieve your retirement dreams.